Everybody, Sabal Khair. I do want to show you our apartment here in Sousse, and we're a bit outside. Well, not really outside. We're just we're like 3 to 4 kilometers from the tourist center, from the railway station, from the Medina, and so it's not that far, but it feels very different. So this is kind of like a more of a privileged area, like they have some nice new houses as well, and this is ours. We're staying on top floor, so let's go and check it out. So I opened the door already, and by the way, yeah, it's morning. It's morning. That's why I'm not shaven. I just came back from running. It's a car. I don't know. It's quite cool, and we have a mess. And but I want to show you uncut, kind of like. See, this is also open. This is our stroller. Notre crèche. Anyway, let's go upstairs. So the owner of the house, which is the host, the Airbnb host, also lives here. She's a lovely lady. Anyway, let's go up. You can hear the kids. It's like not even 8 o'clock in the morning. Everybody's awake, of course. Yeah, they're loud. So this is kind of like very modern area, but oh, check it out. This is probably the Quran, right? But this seems to be a bit of an older house. And here I could use well, maybe I do. Huh? See how it gets a little. Let's go open that up. Yeah, all right. Hey guys. So here we are. I don't know what the area is called. So like, there's the kitchen, there's the living room. It's cool. Kids using the AC in the morning. Hey guys, you want to say hello to my friends?
Hello.
Olive, are you playing with your Playmobil? You want to say hi? She's out. You're not shy anymore. She's shy. So they have their breakfast yogurts here. We have a TV here with lots of channels, mostly Arabic channels, but there's a couple of English ones, so that's quite cool. Yeah, so see, actually, it's a nicely cut rooms, and they have all these plaster. So this is kind of like oldish, or it feels old. But anyway, there's the first balcony. There's actually quite a few balconies. It's a small one, but still, well, it's small. It's not that small. It's just small compared to the other one. Well, you'll see. Anyway, we have some kind of a furniture and some kind of a monkey stick, although they don't have no monkeys here. Not sure if they have any monkeys in Tunisia. I don't think so. Anyway, yeah, nice and brittle. And we'll then put that back into the door, so I don't have to look for it. Anyway, so we're on the ground floor here. And there's my wife making semolina for breakfast because he likes them semolina, right? You like semolina? You do? Not saying anything. Anyway, it's a bit of a mess, but I did try to clean a little bit. So we got a skillet here. We got a fridge here. Got some sweets, and lots of water. So we slept 2 nights here. Oh, by the way, it's another balcony. That one is smaller. I see it's actually quite nice here. See, most of these houses seem new. They're building a new one, and they're half done. But yeah, I like it. Kind of like it. Hey, dude. Well, let me show you upstairs. We're quite happy with this Airbnb. And anyway, let's go upstairs. And where the the bathroom it's alright, but I haven't really figured out. Yeah, they don't have a toilet seat for some reason, but it's okay. Which is more important. The thing is, if they want to keep the Airbnb going with foreigners coming here, they should have a toilet seat. For us, no problem, because we are used to it, kind of like. What's more important is that they have this. But foreigners don't use this. We do because we've been traveling for many years, right? Anyway, so let's go. There's one bedroom with there's two small beds here, but it's not really. And yeah, see, there are kits. There are crayons. There are pens. They're all over. They work in all of the rooms. They play in all the rooms. They do their artwork in all the rooms. And this is a second bedroom, which yeah, see, also here they're working and playing ukulele. And yeah, this is not. It's not very nice. It's my wife's stuff. See, it looks neater than. Oh, did I show you mine downstairs? No, I didn't. It doesn't look neat. Anyway, see, and this room is good because it's got a good curtain that actually darkens the room. This is a point of criticism. The other ones don't have very good curtains, so I'll wake up very early, 5 o'clock. But I wake up early anyway. So I see. So this is the rooftop terrace, kind of like, which is really the thing. Huh? That's a cool thing. I like it. And this is sandstone. Well, there seems to be cracking up or cracking, you know. So they put these. So I don't know how old this house is. Probably not too old. Check it out. There's a mosque there. This is very modern, very nice houses, but all in the Arabic style. Is it Arabic or Tunisian style? So that is the question. Anyway, so we do appreciate this terrace here, and they're actually fixing up. There's another terrace upstairs, which is also ours. They're fixing solar panels up. I mean, I do realize it's all a scam, but what's she gonna do? But yeah, I don't want to. I want to be the naysayer, right? But I like it up here. That is what I know. Anyway, so and that's almost it. That's almost the apartment. It's actually a nice bed. We'll also go check this upstairs. There's some more beds, which kind of like. You could have them outside, but anyway, it doesn't matter. I think they're done with the work. No, they're not done yet. So they work another day. They said. Well, the solar panels are gone. They're putting them up there. Seeing they have the satellite dishes here. Yeah, the workers will come in later on. It's Friday, which is kind of like the holy day in the Muslim world. It's like a Sunday in the Christian world. See the solar panels? I don't know if they work today actually. The owner told me, check it out, it almost looks like Chinese. See, this is nice. Especially at night as well, or when it gets dark. Should show you this. Oh wow, see that's the whole construction for the solar panels. Cool, huh? Yeah, and that's like a $25 Airbnb. Like us. That's not too bad. It's not too. I mean, if you take it for a month, it will be cheaper, of course. But the Airbnbs, once you stay in them for 28 days, you have like the monthly discount. But yeah, we don't want to stay here a month. I mean, I could stay here a month, no problem. But yeah, we want to get moving a little bit, further down the Sfax, and there's a few places we want to visit, right? Anyway, okay. Then that'll be that. Close that. And yeah, that's the apartment. It's not too bad. It's quite big. It's technically very nice. There's a few things that would change or improve, but other than that, it'd be nice to have an AC in this one, or at least a fan. But it's not that hot. I mean, it's hot. People tell us, "Oh, it's so hot while you're here in the summer." It's not hot for us, Like when you're used to India and Malaysia and these places, it's a lot hotter. Then you notice if there's not a fan on. But here, I mean, you can even sleep here without an AC, without a fan. You cannot do that in Malaysia or in Thailand or in India or Sri Lanka or any of these places, right? Anyway, see, the boy is cleaning up the apartment already. Very good. Alrighty, then I'll say that was our apartment and take good care and bye-bye. You say bye-bye? Yeah, say bye-bye. Very good. All right, guys, say bye-bye. Okay, take care and bye-bye. Guys, and I will notice anyway, depends on the views on the video, right? If you like me to show you all the apartments, that's I usually do that. I mean, not every single one, but most of them. And I like doing that. I don't know if that it poses or if that gives lots of people, if they're interested in that or not, but you know, I'll do it anyway. But well, just mentioning that. Yeah, from here we're going down to Sfax, I told you that. And then we have not decided. Probably go a little bit further down. There's Gabes, there's even Duz, which is more in the desert, although this whole thing, this is all in the desert kind of like, but not like in the sand desert. But anyway, then eventually we'll go up to the capital where we plan on staying for a while and, you know, see what happens. And anyway, just wanted to mention that. That was it. Bye-bye.